Hello friends, welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. In today's video I'm gonna share with you 12 useful kitchen hacks which will make your life easier. If you like videos about home organization, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. If you like to cook pasta, you might find this first idea useful. When using a colander to drain water, it often happens that the small holes get clogged and it becomes hard to wash it. A simple toothpick will come in handy in this case. And I am not talking about picking noodles out of every hole. When pasta is ready, cover the pot with a lid, placing a toothpick between the pot and the lid. Next, firmly press the lid to the pot while draining the water. Just one toothpick will make your life easier and save you from having to wash a colander. If you happen to have some Legos nobody plays with, you are in luck, because it can be used not just for play, but also for constructing something like a kitchen organizer. For example, let's make a shelf insert of desired height using building blocks and a base plate. If necessary, fix the blocks in place with modeling clay. It works perfectly, doesn't leave stains, and is easy to remove if no longer needed. Here is an idea for a kid's birthday party. Build a kid cutlery holder with Lego blocks. It will fit the party atmosphere and can be disassembled afterwards, going back to the child's room. Imagination knows no boundaries when it comes to Lego. How do you like this idea? With a snap of our fingers, Lego turns into a cutting board holder. Summer is almost here, which means that we are more likely to eat a lot of fresh herbs, for example in salads or soups. Instead of messing with cutting boards, cut the herbs directly into a bowl using clean kitchen scissors. The empty upper space of your cabinet can also be useful, for example for storing packs of seasonings and various spices. To do this, take back clips and a tension rod, then install it in the cabinet. The result speaks for itself. This method can be used to organize every corner in your kitchen, allowing you to quickly find what you're looking for and just as quickly put it back. It's really hard to clean burnt grease from a frying pan by hand. It's a better idea to do this with the help of the items we already have at home, which is a vinegar and the baking soda. Pour baking soda on the contaminated surface of the pan, then carefully sprinkle vinegar on top. A foam should form, which you leave for about an hour. Then scrub it with a heavy dusty scrub sponge. In some cases you have to do the procedure twice, but after that your frying pan will look brand new. Food containers can be used to store dishwasher tablets and salt. It's a visually pleasing way of storing that protects the contents from moisture and takes up little space. Simply open the container, use the product, and it's done. Blackened bananas are not appetizing, however, there is a way to make them quite appealing. For that we will need a blender, milk and vanilla sugar. First blend the banana in a blender, then add milk and vanilla sugar. If you like to bread or coat your fish or chicken in flour, this next tip is for you. To do this, carefully pour flour into a plastic bag or a plastic container, dip a piece of fish or chicken fillet in it, and shake a little. This way the meat will be evenly coated and your hands and kitchen will remain clean. When you need to cool something liquid, the first thing that comes to mind is to stick it in the freezer. To speed up the process, I recommend to wrap the bottle in a damp cloth or towel and put it in the freezer for 20 minutes. The reason for this is that water conducts heat better than air. While evaporating, the moisture will cool the bottle down faster. Don't forget to take the bottle out before it freezes. If your cabinet shelf is overcrowded with various items, use a lazy Susan. Put all the bottles and jars on it. Now you can easily access what you need. And most importantly, you don't have to take anything out to be able to grab the desired ingredient. Some products, such as carrots or tea, leave stains on my white acrylic kitchen countertops, and no matter how hard I tried to scrub it, I couldn't remove them. Turns out that a simple magic eraser can remove stubborn stains like that completely and with little effort. The cabinet walls can be used to store kitchen tools. Self-adhesive hooks is the best way to do it. For example, hang a scoop and a brush on them or use a clip to hang rubber gloves. Do you want to learn more life hacks like this and ideas for do-it-yourself organizers? Check out my previous videos and get inspired to improve your own home. If you like this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!